So good day everyone. So for today, I'm going to hold our discussions for this week because someone from the Risk Reduction Management Office comes here to discuss about the disaster preparedness and also to orient you how to use the Project NOAA. So anyone here who knows about the Project NOAA? If not, so get your scratch paper or anything that you can write down notes because this one will going to help you when it comes to survival and how to prepare yourself when it comes to calamity and disaster. And also from those who are living nearby the volcanoes and mountain, so listen carefully for them. So please listen guys makinig kayo na mabuti sa kanila kasi importante to. Ito sila tatlo and they will introduce themselves and this will take a little time only, so please listen guys.
Thank you for that introduction, Mr. Gaa. So good day everyone and welcome to our presentation. So first of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to have this opportunity and to have you as our audience. So now we will proceed with our presentation. So maybe all of you here witnessed the eruption of Taal, right? So now you will know what are the effects of when a volcano erupts and how it will affect the nearby areas. And also we will teach you how to use the Project NOAA. Nationwide Operational Assessment of Hazard, also known as the Project NOAA, was the Philippines' primary risk reduction and management program. It is managed by the University of the Philippines and was initially administered by the Department of Science and Technology from year 2012 to 2017. Okay, so by the way guys, do you know something about the Project NOAA? Any ideas or questions regarding this topic?
Ma'am, I have a question. What is the importance of Project NOAA?
Okay, that's a very good question. So the importance of the Project NOAA is that it interfaces on the navigation of weather, sensor, flood, landslide, storm surge, critical facilities, and so on. It is a web portal that provides critical information for disaster prevention based on real-time weather data and other hazard maps. And also, it can help you find a safer place. Like if you're looking for a non-disaster prone area, Project NOAA will help you locate that place so that you will have a safer life.
Thank you, Miss Angela. So, I will be showing and explaining what is use of Project NOAA. It was successful in developing a storm surge warning system that pinpoints which portions of a town will be affected by a storm. It issues advisories to specific coastal settlements based on the projected height of storm surge in impacted areas, which are used to help local government evacuate LGUs. Storm surge, flood, and landslide danger maps from Project NOAA can be dug down to a barangay level of detail. Project NOAA map were also used in the repair rehabilitation activities in 171 municipalities devastated by Typhoon Yolanda. So we are focusing on volcanoes and earthquakes. The movement of earth tectonic plate causes both earthquakes and volcanoes. Volcanic eruption can be triggered by earthquake that cause magma to migrate within a volcano. Volcanoes and earthquake are both severe natural disasters that put people in peril.
Ma'am, I have a question about the discussion. What are the possible causes of an earthquake?
As the possible effect of volcanic eruption and earthquake. Earthquake induced by volcanic activity have the potential to create fissures, ground displacement, and structural damage. They are usually significantly smaller than earthquakes that are not generated by volcanic activity. The consequences of earthquake and volcanoes are usually divided into two categories, the primary and secondary. The primary impacts are those that occur as a result of the Earth's movement, such as buildings falling or pyroclastic flows killing people. The example of secondary consequences is fire triggered by ruptured gas pipes induced by an earthquake or homelessness caused by the loss of buildings.
Ma'am, what are the terms and practices can be done during, before, and after an earthquake.
Do the duck, cover, and hold. Pangalawa, lumayo sa mga glass window or mga heavy objects. At kapag naman halimbawa, tumigil ang pagyanig o ang paglindol, maaari tayong lumabas agad at magtungo sa mga evacuation areas. Ang sunod ko namang ituturo sa inyo ay yung mga dapat nating gawin pagkatapos ng lindol. First, assess yourself and others for injuries. Next, ay manatili sa mga open areas for aftershocks. So, ayun lang.
So, the question is, what might happen if we didn't participate in any programs that discusses about disaster awareness?
Maaari tayong mapahamak kung sakali na hindi tayo dumadalo sa mga programa na nagsusulong sa pag-iwas sa mga sakuna. Dahil maaaring kulang ang ating mga kaalaman.
Okay guys, ang galing nila no? Very impressive. They explain every bit of details clearly and understandable. So thanks for them that they give this kind of opportunity. And at least for now, you know how to use the Project NOAA and to prepare yourself when it comes to calamities and disaster. Especially for those na gusto lumipat na mga lugar and area, and you just have to visit the Project NOAA and check the terrains if that place were safe to floods, landslide, and volcanic eruptions. So I hope na may natutunan kayo and you take notes, important notes, because this will going to help you in the future days. Like for example, from the last year na sumabog yung Vulcan Taal, and luckily for us na malayo tayo sa Batangas, so minor earthquake lang yung ating naramdaman. So thank you for listening for them and giving your time for giving attention to them. And may natira pa naman tayong konting oras, so we will going to continue our discussion and topic from last week. And guys, please get your notebook and ball pens and list down the notes that I will going to discuss.